In this quick video, I'm going to show you how a great way to repurpose and repost your Google reviews that come in. You can do this to past reviews or new reviews, and it's pretty cool. If you need something to post in a pinch or want to share your reviews in a pretty cool way on other platforms or email them, you can do it through here. So right now I'm in my Google My Business. If you log into your Google My Business, I'll show you how to do it. If you don't have a Google My Business, you probably need to call us immediately. Most likely you do if you're watching this video. So if you go down to the left-hand side, and you'll see reviews on the left, click reviews. And you can find someone's review. Anyone, doesn't matter. So click on this one right here. And when you find the one you want to use, you want to click on the person's name. Now there's other things you can do here, but that's nothing you want to do. Click on the person's name who left you the review. And it's going to come to this screen where you see all of the reviews that they've left for other businesses. So find yours. So this is why it's probably a good idea if you do it right away when you first get a Google review. If you don't have time to do it when you first get Google reviews, then ask us about our products and programs for helping with getting more Google reviews, getting more higher rated Google reviews, responding to Google reviews, and also blocking a majority of the negative ones before they hit your Google, and giving you a chance to rectify it or fix the issue before a person goes on a tirade, giving you bad reviews. So ultimately, the result of that program is you're getting your reviews answered to and responded to, which you totally should do. And there's a way to specifically reply to positive as well as negative reviews that you should know. If you don't know, get with us on that. And definitely you want to find out a little bit more about our product called Skyrocket Reviews. So if you do it right away, your review will be right on top, hopefully, unless someone just does it for a living and they have a ton of them. But either way, just scroll through and find yours. And when you find yours, mine's right here on top, you can click, but you can actually like it, which is kind of cool too, but you can hit share. And when you hit share, you can either copy the link and share it anywhere you want, in an email, some other social platform, or messenger service. You could also go right to Facebook and Twitter right from here, which is kind of neat because it posts it in, and it's not just the review, it does it in the way that Google is showing it, right? It says google.com. I'll drag that to the center so you can see. Google.com, Google review of Get Iconic by the person, and it says the first line right here with the 5 stars. So very, very cool thing to share. You can even share it to a group or a page of yours. So I'll share it to a page. And I have quite a few pages here, so let me go find the one I want. There we go. And you can even type something in here. If you'd like to find out more, if you'd like to find out how to get more views like this. Aim for the stars. And then just hit post. Anyway, pretty cool. You can do it on Twitter as well. And that's it. So if you've never done this, go back through and click on them and put them back into your social sharing routine. You can copy to LinkedIn as well. Anywhere you can post a link.